Oppo Find X2, lower version of the Find X2 Pro. 120Hz AMOLED display, Snapdragon 865 processor, UFS 3.0 storage, 65W fast charging and many more. In today's video, we have unboxed and reviewed the Oppo Find X2 phone. Hey guys, Mikey from Tech Mikey. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is the Find X2's box. We have Find X2 branding up top. The Find X2 has 5G support like most 865 phones. There is a more branding to the sides, and here we have the RAM storage information. This here is top, it's a 12256 variant and it comes with the ocean color. The RAM storage information mentioned in the top too. Let's open up the lid and opening up the cardboard box. On the inside, we have a SIM tool, a warranty card and other leaflets, and a transparent case. Underneath, we have the phone itself. Then a pair of Apple AirPods style earphones with a Type-C output. So there is no headphone jack in the phone. Then we have a USB Type-C cable. Both output have the yellow accent on them. Then we have a 65W SuperVOOC 2.0 fast charger. That's about it for the box content. Now we get to the Oppo Find X2. The first thing you notice, there is an optical in-display fingerprint scanner on the top. Now removing the plastic. The pack's pretty shiny and it's a kind of reminds me of the Oppo Find X2 Pro. The Find X2, it looks phenomenal. We have got a nice little gradient back. On the bottom left, we have a Oppo branding, and on the top left, we have a rectangular camera module with the LED flash. The Gorilla Glass 5 here, it's a curve on all four edges. So this glass sandwich design, it's a screen premium and it does well to hide that 8mm thickness. That's it, there is no hiding the almost 209 gram weight though. It's a kind of acceptable given the material used in the 6.7-inch display along with the 4200 mAh battery. There are IP54 rating here. That means that it should withstand a light rain and a splash at most. Phone's frame is made by aluminium. If we talk about the physical placement, the volume key located to the left and the Type-C port, primary mic, speaker and the dual SIM tray there are in the bottom. Only dual SIM tray, no microsd card slot. Then power button on the right and the secondary noise cancellation mic on the top. For now, let's instead take a look at the front. The display here, it's a 6.7 inch. It's an AMOLED panel. The resolution is QHD+. It has a thin bezel and a very small hole punch. The screen is capable of 120Hz refresh rate, and that's without sacrificing the QHD resolution. You have no issue of sunlight visibility here as the brightness goes up to 518 nits. It's in manual mode and 850 nits in auto mode. The display has nice colors and cover 100% of the DCI P3 colors. If we talk about the Find X2's camera, we have a standard triple camera setup with no periscope. Crazy sensor size. Here is the 48 megapixel quad rear main camera, has an f1.7 aperture and the optical stabilization, but it also has a much smaller sensor than the Find X2 Pro. Secondary 13 megapixel telephoto is a standard one that offers a 2 times zoom. There is also a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with autofocus. So how good are the photos? If we talk about the Find X2 battery, it has a fairly 4200 mAh battery capacity with 65 watt SuperVOOC 2.0 fast charger, which is promising full charge in just 38 minutes. If we talk about the price of the Find X2, the base variant 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage price is around $977 US. You can find link in the description section if you want to buy. Now Find X2 also has a 5G support and the base is 8128. All the tech into the account, do you think something? What would be the fair price? What do you think would be the fair price for this phone? Would you be okay paying over the $900 for Oppo phone? What you guys think about it? What is the max you pay for the Oppo branding? A flagship Oppo phone? Let me know in the comment below. If we talk about the conclusion, the attractive looking design, beautiful AMOLED display with a small camera cutout, good battery with fast charging and the latest software on board. Should you buy this over the OnePlus 8 Pro? So far I have been really impressed with the Find X2. But what about you guys? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, just comment below and we will answer them. Also give this video thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching and I will be see you in the next one.